Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can change menu item color in your Divi WordPress website. So let's go to theme customizer. Here you can see. Now theme customizer is loading. After that, on the left side, here you can see these are all the options available in the theme customizer. Now click header and navigation. Then here you can see primary menu, secondary menu. Now let's click on primary menu. Now scroll down and here you can find out various options. Now let's click on text color. Here you can add various text colors. Here you can see text color is changing accordingly in Divi WordPress website menu. You can add any of the color according to your requirement. You can also add here hex code. After that, click here publish. So this is how easily you can change the color of menu in your Divi WordPress website.